Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I just want to do a quick tutorial on to show you how to use an Actron auto scanner. And this is the Elite CP9185. Sorry, the other one's the ABS scanner. So what you do is you simply plug the scanner in and screw in your insert to the cable, and then you find your port under your dash and you plug it in. Then you hit the power button and the screen will power up. Also, this particular model, you can buy multiple different attachments for it to do other vehicles, whether it's an OBD1 or OBD2. You know, you can buy the attachments to do an older, Honda or a Lexus or a Toyota or a General Motors or a Mustang or a Mercedes. It does come with the attachments to do any vehicle in the world that's computerized. I'll show you the attachments here. And here goes all the different attachments, guys. Comes in this big case. Here's your standard one for, this is for your General Motors products, your OBD1 style. Here is a power supply plug, in case there's a problem with the fusible link that goes to the computer system to read it for the OBD2. The fuse can be bad, which can cause your check engine light to come on, but then you hook your scanner to it and it won't power up and it won't read anything because it has no power. Well, this is how you can bypass that fusible link with this safety plug, and it gives the scanner power, and then the scanner will tell you that your fuse is blown for your OBD1 or 2, the port itself. And that's why the check engine light is actually on, because the fuse blew. It's a built-in safety feature that all computerized cars come with, whether it's OBD1 or OBD2. Here's this attachment right here is also a cigarette lighter plug for the power supply. It's secondary. It goes with this one right here. Here's your old OBD1 Fords, and here's some of the keys laying in there for your General Motors products. And then here's the plug that you use to plug it in for a USB to make it work on a laptop, so you can plug a laptop into the scanner and then plug it into the car so you can pull it up with a disc and whatnot, all right here, so you can watch it live on a laptop screen versus having to watch it on that little tiny 2x2 screen that comes on the scanner. You can watch it live on a laptop screen. So yeah, hopefully this video was useful for you all on how you use the Actron Elite Auto Scanner. Like I said, that was just a simple breakdown of everything that the Actron Elite Auto Scanner CP9185, all the features and capabilities that it comes with. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel already, please do so. Y'all have a great day.